Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 BMW C650 GT motor scooter. This is the one with ABS brakes, automatic transmission, 650 cc's. It's got an adjustable windshield, beautiful condition, only 8,600 miles on this touring scooter. You could take a trip cross country on this baby. It's got under seat storage, electric start, side stand. Come on by and make your big bore motor scooter dreams come true for just $49.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.